Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how to hide subscriber in YouTube channel. Now first of all, open a web browser on your PC, then type in youtube.com on the address bar and press enter. Now then you get signed in into your YouTube channel. First of all, I'm gonna type in my email address for my channel. Click on next. Now provide the password for your account. Click on next. You will be logged in into your channel. Now for the hiding process, you click on the profile icon. There you click on YouTube Studio. Once you are inside the YouTube dashboard or the channel dashboard, you can see below the setting options on the left side. You click on setting. And inside setting, you need to click on channel. Inside channel, you can see a advanced setting option available. You click on it. Now, if you scroll down a little bit, you can see there subscriber count. Display the number of people subscribed to my channel. There's a tick mark on the checkbox. That means the account has currently displayed the number of subscriber in the channel. Now, if I click on this and click on save, the channel won't show the number of subscribers that you have in your YouTube. And just like that, you can hide the number of subscribers in your YouTube channel. Hope this video was useful to you on how you can hide your number of subscribers in YouTube channel. Thank you.